1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uppercut, hook, hammer, straight. And then upward block, sinangahan. And then hacking. Then tad-tad, boom. Elbow strike, and knee. This one, kilingan, boom, hook, hook. 1, open hand, 2, then 1, 2, 3, tad-tad. Uppercut, hammer, straight. Block, and strike. Low line, middle line, or high line. 1, 2, kalawit, braso, sampal, hammer, uppercut, straight. Tad-tad padulas, hammer, sampal, hammer, uppercut, hammer, straight. 1, 2, and 3. And then hook, uppercut, hammer, straight. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uppercut, hook, hammer,